Burrows from Beatty TARDS, and I thought they'd make awesome jewelry. After seeing the third eye, my daughter got a third eye pendant from a boyfriend. I said, I think I can make some of those, so we started with pine cones. And what I thought would make a better necklace would be dried burrow turds. Third eye of the burrow, the brown eye. So I have these awesome donkey turds, Burrows from Beatty TARDS, and I thought they'd make awesome jewelry. So I'm working them in some resin. So making some burrow turd resin necklaces. I've collected some awesome burrow turds, and they have beautiful tin foil and some other unorganic matter. They should be beautiful. Set the resin. I've already soaked these, hardened them. I'm soaking them again, then I'm going to slice them in half, and we're going to make some pendants from them.
No, 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 no. No.
I'm going to inlay some of this abalone shell into my wild burrow turd pendant. So with my extra resin, I like to fill this gummy bear tray and make little resin gummy bears. And what you get are these little tiny gummy bears. I want to inlay this piece of petrified wood, agatized petrified wood, in this donkey turd. So I have to trim it down a little bit. Oh, the smell. I could smell the burrow. It's almost a perfect fit. I think that fits in there pretty good. Look at those guys. Got this little abalone shell. Ah, look at that. Agate, abalone, and agatized petrified wood. On brown-eyed wild Burrow pendant. Get some hair bubbles out. Oop, what? Good pop. Getting the bubbles out of the resin.